Okay, this is the Mercure in Cinecitta in Rome. We're in room 423, the double twin. Reasonably small, but absolutely adequate for what we need for one night. Just come from Rome for the day, so you've got a safe, fridge, it's got a couple of waters in, very small desk area, mirror. There is a ample car park if you were to drive here. Enough room for cases and a little table there. Big TV. Temperature control here. And then into the bathroom. The aircon is decent. Yeah, I've obviously not been in it yet, but it looks very, very nice, very clean from what I can see. So yeah, that's a very short video of the Mercure Cinecitta in Rome.